Welcome, beloved sibling, and happy Moon Day. Today begins a new project for 2018 because in 2017, the great love of my life, Sharon Rosenzweig, produced a new comic every single day. So, following in her footsteps, I intend to produce a new Sciency optimistic video every day during 2018, 5 days a week. And because I am inspired by Sharon, and this being Moon Day, I'd like to talk about one of the moons of Pluto, Charon. The moon Charon does not orbit the planet Pluto, nor does the planet Pluto orbit the moon Charon, but they both orbit the barycenter of the attractive force between them, namely gravity. That's also true of the moon and the earth, that the moon doesn't orbit the earth, but that's a whole other video for another Moon Day. Our marriage does not work because my life revolves around Sharon, although it should if there was any justice. Nor does it work because her life revolves or orbits me, even though I occasionally behave as though it should. Our marriage revolves around that attractive force between us, i.e., our love. But you can look at humans as if the real game is not the individual humans, but that force that attracts us together. For some, it is our common humanity. For others, it is which sports teams we root for. As we together face 2018, obviously, the force is with us. And like gravity is Sharon and our moon and the earth, may it be strong and bond us tightly together.
Thank you immensely much for watching, beloved sibling. You made it all the way to the end. I post new Sciency optimistic videos every Monday through Friday. If you enjoyed this one, I hope you will like, subscribe to the channel, and share with someone you know who might themselves enjoy some Sciency optimism. I'm Aaron Freeman, the Excitable Ape, and until we meet again, I hope you have an incredibly great time as you science the day.